Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about the concept of DUI murder in California, particularly in San Diego, and some things you should be looking for, whether you're facing these charges or whether you have a loved one that is facing these charges, what to look for in an attorney. Common mistakes that are made and mistakes that really should not be made moving forward. And we hope that you find this video helpful. So the first step is, DUI murder in California is the same as murder, right? You're charged with second-degree murder. You're facing at least 15 years to life in prison if convicted. So the first mistake we see people make a lot is, well, it's a DUI. How bad can it be, right? Yeah, it's terrible that people lost their lives, but, it's still a DUI. I didn't mean to kill anybody, so, I'm probably going to get probation. Well, no, you're not. If you're convicted of DUI murder, you have to get at least 15 years to life in prison. And that's an indeterminate sentence, so you don't know if you'll ever get out. So understand that you want to treat this as a very, very, very serious felony. And you want to make sure that the law firm that you hire, the law firm you're considering hiring, has very serious felony experience. You don't want to, it's misdemeanor attorney, he or she's done a couple of DUIs, a couple of petty thefts, a couple of domestic violence. Let's bring them on as the lead attorney for a second-degree murder case. Well, no. You want a law firm with that experience, with that volume of experience handling DUI murder cases. So you want to ask them about that. Hey, how many of these cases have you handled before? How many serious felonies have you handled before? Another thing you want to look for in an attorney, especially when you or a loved one are facing a crime as serious as DUI murder, is it a solo practitioner or is it a law firm, right? Because the amount of time that these cases take to be handled the right way, to get to know your client from an attorney's perspective, to get to be in court, to have to litigate certain issues upon issues to protect your client's freedom and their long-term future. If you have a solo practitioner who's, juggling the balls in the air, different types of things, different cases, doing this, doing that, answering on phones, what are they leaving out? What are they neglecting from your case or your loved one's case? And when you're charged with DUI murder or felony murder, DUI felony of any kind, really not the time to be bargain shopping, really not the time to, hire just a one person, a one man or a one woman show. You're going to need a team. You're going to want a team. At my firm, whenever someone is facing up to life, an indeterminate life sentence, we put two attorneys on the case. We put two attorneys on the case to make sure that our clients get all the attention they need, they deserve, and what the case requires to ensure we get as good, if not as good of an outcome, if not a better outcome than anyone else could get them on the facts of the case. So you want to factor all these things in. Experience, the depth of the firm, is it a firm or a solo practitioner? And what type of results this firm, year over year over year, has been able to obtain for those in similar situations, facing significant felony charges. Don't get caught up in the fact that it's quote unquote just a DUI. You're still charged with murder. It is as serious, if not more serious, than any other serious felony out there. And you deserve and require the best possible criminal defense team that you could possibly afford. My firm is just one phone call away at 619-295-3555. Again, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal lawyer.